In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a brochure using Lucidpress, which is now called Mark. So, let's dive in and get started on creating a stunning brochure in just a few minutes. First things first, go ahead and open up your web browser. In the search bar, type in Lucidpress, which is the former name of a design tool now known as Mark. Hit enter, and this will lead you to their updated homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to sign up if you haven't already. Look for the Sign Up button, which should be easy to spot. By signing up, you'll have access to all the features needed to create your unique brochure. After you're all set with an account, it's time to start a new project. So, navigate to the option that allows you to begin a new document. Here's where the fun truly begins. You'll have access to Mark's extensive template library. This step is essential since you can browse through a multitude of pre-made brochure templates. Find one that aligns with your vision or the type of brochure you're aiming to create. Once you've selected a template, it's time to personalize it. Now let's make it yours by customizing the layout and content. You'll notice various text boxes on the template. Click on any of these boxes to add your own content. Adjust the text to fit your message or information using the Continue tool, which allows your text to flow seamlessly from one box to another. Of course, no brochure is complete without compelling imagery. To replace any existing images, simply double-click on them. Alternatively, you can use the content bar to upload your own images or perform a web search for new images to insert. Make sure the images align well with your brochure's theme. The next step is all about colors. Customize the colors of your page backgrounds, shapes, and text to reflect your brand or desired aesthetic. This is where your creativity can really shine. If your brand has specific colors, integrate them for consistency and brand recognition. Now, it's time to add the finishing touches. You can drag and drop additional images or logos from the content bar onto your design. This option allows flexibility in positioning and resizing your elements to ensure everything is perfectly aligned. Once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to share it with the world. To do this, click on the Share button to invite collaborators if you're working as a team. Alternatively, you can download the final file directly to your device. And there's more. If you like, publish your brochure online using the options found in the File menu. And there you have it. You now know how to create a professional-looking brochure using Mark. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more design tips and tricks.